Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung intention oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Capricorn, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ay isang energy update for you ngayong September 16 to 30. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see Capricorn. What do we have for you? Leo, shine. So you have a lot of confidence. Meron kang ipapakita na talent. Ano yung talent na yan? Or you are going to explore or learn about a skill or a talent na pwede mo pang i-improve sa sarili mo. You have the midheaven, pinnacle. So I think this is a fame energy. So, maaring ngayong September 16 to 30, you have the opportunity na maging kilala sa area na kung nasaan ka. Pwedeng sa trabaho mo to, sa career mo, you will be recognized or meron kang marireceive na award, kaya ka marirecognize sa career mo. Also, mas maipapakita mo yung yung skills mo, yung talents mo. You also have Pallas Athena, which is about your mind. So I think marami kang creative ideas na kung saan mas magagamit mo in improving your life. And I think dito ka makakakuha ng confidence sa iyong sarili. Some of you are going to learn new skill. You have the 3rd house, which is also about learning. And then Capricorn, Saturn in Capricorn. So, this is a very comfortable energy. I think, you will be more disciplined in achieving your goals and dreams. Na yung tipong well-structured ka or meron kang certain goal and alam mo kung ano yung nire-require para ma-achieve mo yung goal na yon, and you are willing to do it and you are willing to learn from it. Handa kang you are ready to do what it takes to achieve your goals and dreams. Ayan, so let's see what else for Capricorn. You have the Queen of Pentacles. So this is your energy, focusing on your resources, financial stability. So don't you worry, lahat ng mga pangangailangan mo maibibigay sa'yo, or you can definitely provide for yourself, for your family. You have the Judgment card. So there's like a major change in your life right now. This can be a major transformation kasi Judgment card, rebirth, and then you have the Death card. In what area of Capricorn's life itong major transformation, endings and new beginnings? Fourth house, which is about your home life, your family life. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng pagbabago ng tirahan, ng tahanan, ng bahay ninyo. Pwedeng may paglipat ng bahay. You also have the Nine of Pentacles and the Knight of Swords. So, Nine of Pentacles is about financial stability. Pwedeng meron kang aasikasuhin related to money, related sa iyong finances. Pwedeng meron kang i-claim na, let's say, parang anything related to money. Oo, i-claim mo siya. Pwedeng, hindi naman actually loan, but parang benefits, no? You're going to claim financial benefits. Let's see what else. Or meron kang kailangan kausapin related sa pera. Someone might be reaching out sa'yo para humingi ng tulong. You have healing, fertility. Healing from, pwedeng physical healing to, or healing from your past experiences. Transformation talaga. Some of you, parang may mga pagkakataon na you're not in the mood for, doing anything. Parang, alam mo yun, yung kanta ni Bruno Mars. Today, I don't feel like doing anything. Oo. And I think, some of you, medyo, may ganong energy na may pagka-lazy. Medyo tinamad kayo ng mga nakaraang araw, and you are changing, you are healing something. Pwedeng related ito sa mga pinagdadaanan ninyo, personal issues, or yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring physical, nagkaroon ng issue sa iyong kalusugan. So that's why hindi ka masyadong nakapag-perform, or medyo wala kang gana, ganyan. But now you are transforming, you are changing for the better. Oo, yung iba sa inyo may pagod Napagod kayo saan? So, this is suggesting you to do meditation. Kasi malaking tulong itong meditation for you, realigning yourself, realigning your energies, para mas makapag-strategize ka ng maayos sa mga gagawin mo sa let's say, sa trabaho mo. You need to balance your energies. Ground yourself. Go out and walk na barefoot, o kaya hug a tree. That's also another way to release the negative energies, to ground yourself. So pagdating sa career, you are focusing sa business. Pwedeng magsisimula ka palang magnegosyo, or yung iba sa inyo, yan yung binibigyan nyo ng attention, yung business ninyo. Challenge yourself to do what you think you can't. Oy, ayan. So, pagdating sa career, sa business, sa finances ninyo, i-challenge nyo raw yung sarili nyo, or maaaring i-challenge nyo yung sarili nyo to do better than what you did in the past. Na minsan inisip mo, hindi ko kaya yan. E di i-challenge mo yung sarili mo na makayanang gawin yon. You also have the 4 of Cups. You have the 8 of Swords. So, ayun na nga. Maari kasing meron kang self-limiting beliefs na meron kang resources, yes, pero hindi mo ginagamit yung resources mo because you feel like, you just don't feel like doing it. Sayang naman yung opportunity. You have the Son of Pentacles. This is a slow-moving energy pagdating sa career mo, sa business mo. Pero this is also giving you financial stability in the future. So, long-term naman yung effect niya. So, kung ikaw ay parang natatakot na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay, or especially if you want to go to try a business pero meron kang takot na baka hindi maging successful, then paano mo na lang yun overcome? What if pala na magiging successful ka, hindi mo lang sinubukan? And maari kasing may mga pumipigil sa'yo, yung mga self-doubts, ganyan. Or mismong mga tao sa paligid mo, they are trying to bring you down or dinidiscourage ka sa mga plano mo. Sa love life naman, may reconciliation. Kaloka. So, you might be reconciling or you would want to reconcile with someone from the past. But, it seems na parang you feel like mahirap nang gawin yun ngayon. Dahil pwedeng yung person na to na gusto mong balikan, hindi na siya interesado or parang, alam mo yun, wala na siyang gana. So, if that's the case, then move on. Father of Cups. So, this person still has feelings for you. This person is parang ini-stalk ka, no? Inaalam niya what's happening sa'yo. Especially if you already have you've had a family with this person or nagkaroon kayo ng anak, you shared the same house before. I think this person is also parang checking on you if you are doing okay, if you are doing well in your career, in your finances. So, I don't know, possible na kung depende yan kung if you still have the same feelings, but I doubt. So, let's see, tinan nyo na lang kung anong mangyayari. But there is someone who wants to reconcile with you. Okay, so that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.